Welcome to Desai Academy of Class 8th, first chapter crop production and management. Okay, today's topic is traditional tools. Okay, for this chapters we having videos are in the playlist where you can check in our playlist for videos of these chapters. Okay, next topic is comes here traditional tools. So what are the tools are used in agricultural field? So the tools used traditionally for sowing seeds is shaped like a funnel. For example, so in agricultural fields the crops are grown in a period of times in a 6 months 8 months or in a year, so that are grown in a soil with the some tools that like funnels. Okay, funnels like using this is called as what funnel. By using this funnel we are sowing seeds in a soil, in a soil using what a funnel. So the seeds are filled into the funnel, passed down through the two or three pipes having sharp ends. Okay, as shown in this figure, so the seeds are added in the funnel, and this funnel having two or three major pipes, so that seeds are passed through these pipes, and they will sowed into the what soil. Okay, this is a while adding this in the picture has shown in the two persons or two farmers are adding seeds to the funnel, and the funnel having one or two or three pipes, that pipes are immersing in the soil, and these seeds are automatically added to the soil. They having got sharp edges, so these and pierce into the soil and place seeds there, and these ends will dig into the soil, and they are passed into the soil of seeds, and the soil seeds will grow in a later year. So this is the simple method used by the farmer to sow the seeds in a soil. Simply they are adding seeds on the funnel, and they are passing through the this funnel having a sharp edge at the bottom, and the seeds are entering into the soil. This is a simple what a traditional methods used by the farmers in India. Still this method is used. So but our modern technology also is there, but still some farmers are using this method also. Okay, so another method is called as a modern technique is called as a seed drilling. Okay, this is also a new technology assumed or a modern technology. So to add the seed in a soil. Okay, this is called as a seed drill. Okay, this is a modern technology. This is what a traditional technology or a traditional method. This is a traditional method, still it is used, and this is a what a modern method. So both are used by the farmers, like a modern method also and a traditional method. Okay, what is seed drill? Okay, nowadays these seed drills is used for sowing with the help of tractors. Okay, this method this is used for the agriculture field for the sowing of the seeds by using of what tractor. So by using of the tractors we can add the seeds in a soil. This method is called as what seed drill. This allows the seeds uniformly at a equal distance and depth. So this what is the main advantage of this method is there means each seed is placed in a soil with a certain distance. We can observe clearly from this figure the nokes of these drill is having some distance, fixed distance between the two nodes or two or the rods, we can call that. So seeds can be minimum distance can be placed. For example, here the distance between these two is having 1 meter, means the one first seed is having here means the second seed will be distance of what 1 meter. So they are uniformly distributed throughout the area and fixed distance. So this is the best method to add the seeds in a soil using of what seed drill. This is the major advantage of what? Seed drilling. And ensures that seed get covered by the soil after sowing. Also, after adding the seed into the soil, it also ensures the soil must cover on the seed. After seed is sowing in the soil, there must be covered with the soil, because to grow properly, for that it also makes the soil to cover the seed entirely. This protects seeds from being eaten by the birds. Okay, why how to seed is covered with the soil means the seeds should be covered with the soil, because of birds are coming to the field and they will eat the seeds, and there is no possibility of growing. So for that they should be covered with the soil. For that ensures the growth of the plant, that will make it by this seed drill. This is the advantage. What is the advantage of seed drill means? Seed shows the what? Uniformly equal distance and depth. Depth means inside of the soil, and ensures the seed get covered by the soil after sowing. These are the importance of what? Seed drill. Sorry. This protects the seed from being eaten by the birds. These are the very important points of what? Seed drill. Sowing by using seed drills saves time and labor. Okay. Also what here? Also saves the time and labor work. Another major advantage of over a traditional method. This advantage of seed drill over this traditional method means so it will saves the labor work. So here the man is required for the sowing of the seed, man plus animals, right? But in the case of seed drilling, there is no need of animals and many workers. Only one person is can sow the seeds entire field, because it is working on the water machines, tractor, so it will saves time as well as the labor work. This is the main advantage of what? Seed drilling. So if the traditional method completes 1 hectare in 1 or 2 days. Okay, what is a 1 hectare of land sowed by a farmers, like using these traditional method. By using traditional method, 1 hectare of area, or we can say that common language acre. Okay, 1 hectare or acre area is sowed by 1 or 2 days by what? Traditional method. But same amount of field, only 1 hectare or an acre of land is sowed within 1 or 2 hours by the tractors using what? Seed drill. This is the main advantage of seed drill used in agricultural field. So it will reduces the labor work as well as it saves the most important time. Appropriate distance between the seeds is necessary to avoid overcrowding of the plants. Okay, another in the point we discussed that they having some fixed distance between the two nodes, correct? They having fixed distance between the two nodes. Why they are having fixed distance? Why they are not close to each other means, because if they are close to each other means the seeds are very close to each other, that will makes what? Overcrowded, so they are competing with each other for the growth. So if they are having a some distance between them means they are not overcrowded, they can grow easily, correct? So if they are very close to each other, like this means they will not grow properly, because they are competing with each other, because they are having little space between them. But in this case they having what? More space between them, they can grow very easily, because they are not competing with each other, because they are having some distance, they are comfortably having their own space. So this is the main advantage of what? Seed drilling. This is what we are having some distance between the plants. This allows plants to get sufficient sunlight, correct? Sufficient sunlight, nutrients and water from the soil. Okay, if they are having a distance between the seeds, they are having different distance between them means they to grow they require water, S2 water, and nutrients and sunlight, correct? So to grow any plant, these are essential elements for any plant. For that they having some distance between them, means they easily get all these three raw materials from the soil. So they can easily get by what, having some fixed distance between them. When they are having close to each other, when they having close to each other or overcrowded like this, so they competing with each other, they competing with each other for water. Again, water plus sunlight plus water nutrient, and from these all plants does not grow properly, they will grow very less, or sometimes some plants will not grow because they are competing with each other to grow. For that it is not a suitable method, so there will be a loss for the farmer as well as the loss of the crops. For that we are having technology called as seed drilling, that having what, distance between the two or three seeds, that makes a proper development of all seeds, and that will leads to the what, more crops, and the yield will be very high. This is the major advantage of what, seed drilling, or this is the difference between traditional method and what, modern days technology. At times few plants may have to be removed to prevent overcrowding. Sometimes we can also remove the plants also for overcrowding. These methods are so important for the what, development of crop fields. These are called as a traditional method as well as the modern days methods, advantage as well as the disadvantage. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends.